Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see parameter that enables us to write program without decimal points. Switch to auto mode. Press program button. Press cycle start. In this line X value is mentioned without decimal point. So machine will consider as 200 micron movements rather than 200 millimeters movement. Here you can see Y value is mentioned with decimal value. So 50 millimeters moved in Y axis. Now again X value is mentioned without decimal point. So X moved by 100 microns. Press Offset button. Press Settings soft key. Ensure 1 in parameter right enable. Press System button. Type 3401 and then press number search soft key. Switch to MDI mode. Input 1 in DPI. Press program button. Switch to auto mode. Press cycle start. Now we can see that even though decimal point is not mentioned, X value is considered in mm. Thank you for watching the video.